Looking for an ordinary home?
Keep scrolling. Welcome to 288 Elegant Drive, where every detail says luxury.
Here, weekends write themselves. Whether it's hiking or fishing at Poorhouse Farm Park,
or afternoons on your back porch, enjoying one of the liquors from the local Black Draft Distillery.
Inside, where luxury meets comfort.
And a chef's dream kitchen with a ZLINE range, designer cabinets, and space for entertaining. So your retreat, a spa-worthy primary suite.
With private patio access, a bath with a soaking tub, and this frameless enclosed shower designed for pure relaxation.
Why settle for ordinary when extraordinary is right here?
Come see 288 Elegant Drive for yourself before it's gone.